Okay, so I got my grilled cheese cooking, my dinner, some kind of beef, really good for me. And I got something in the mail, which I think it is the Atari Switch. Now if you're buying your Atari all on its own, you're looking at a lot of money to be put together. Because the Switch alone to make it work is like 20 to 30 bucks. Yep. This cost me 30 bucks. Yeah, the right one. I thought it was the other one, the oldest. We have an old one, which you buy a little connector to it. It costs another 20 bucks. So you're looking at 50 bucks for the Switch. This one cost me 30 bucks. This is for a modern TV. I wanted the original Switch with my Atari system. I don't know if I need it though, because the little adapter works just as fine. In some cases, people sold that for 20 bucks too. I don't know why they sold for so much. Make money off me, obviously. That's how some people are online. You have to be careful when buying things online. You have to know your seller. I'm glad the Switch is here. This thing is 28 bucks, 30 bucks. After taxes into a Canadian dollar. Never see this in the donation store, so don't bother trying to look for it. Yeah. I sleep very strange during the day when it's too hot. I sleep during the day. So this is my lunch. I got my dinner there. I want to get a little small fridge up here, but haven't been able to find one yet. If I could get a little small fridge and put it under here, like we had in school, then that would be good. And yeah, Atari games, they're not expensive, but they are in the long run. So it's just sometimes maybe buying the all-in-one is a lot better, but I like the original ones. That's why I wanted the original. Like 20 bucks here, 20 bucks there, 30 bucks there. It teams that up. 100 bucks, 200 bucks, adds up pretty quick. But hopefully, I think around another 2 months, maybe 3 months, I'll stop with the games. My last game I'm buying is around October, I think. Then it's going to be back to Dolly. Then after I'll just throw in like 1 or 2 games here and there. It's pretty used. Wearing out on the sides of it. It's very old. I wanted the original. So I don't know if this game TV even will work with the modern TV. But I know this part will, so I might just have to keep it on TV all the time, or keep it on game all the time. Because the little adapter part works very well, but I just wanted the original. This one costs 30 bucks, and the little adapter costed 20 bucks. So, it's a pretty good amount of money for Atari parts now. Even controllers. So, got my lunch cool. So hopefully all you guys are doing okay with your collection, or if you're trying to get back into school. It's also very hard. Looking at part-time courses, like for schools like children flying. Very expensive. I was looking at the police program they have, also very expensive. These animations for years and that's like very expensive. Everything costs money. You don't get nothing really back from them. So you have to be very careful with that stuff. Make sure you have the money to pay back. If not, then it's going to be a problem after. So I hesitate applying again to those expensive school programs, but you guys keep trying. Go ahead. Maybe we might get in, but you need the money. So thanks for watching. My Switch came in, and my grilled cheese is cooking, and I have my lunch.